you doing? My name is Jessica Jordan. I run Field Place Pottery in Worthing, and today what I've just done is I'm just taking some porcelain paper clay. I've coloured up some clay as well, so I've made one section pinkish red, so I've just used a powder to do that, and I've also made a greenish blue one as well, plus I've just got a pure white one. And I've rolled them out because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a laid effect, and then I want to roll this out and sort of cut out some decorations. So I'm going to take the pink one and lay that one down first, and then I'm going to take the blue one and lay that on top, like so. And then I'm going to cut down my excess of my white. Lay that as well. So I'm just going to lay that on top. As well. Just so what I've got is I've got a really nice layered effect. So we've made like a little sandwich of different colours, and all I'm going to do now is I'm going to roll over the top of that and just compress that all in together. And if you find you get any little air bubbles, just pop them, stick your knife in, or if you've got a pin tool, and just take those out. I'm going to flip this over, do the same. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this. And what I should have is some lovely lines. I don't know if you can see that. Some lovely little lines sort of coming through. So I'm going to just put that to the side. And I'm going to cut myself a couple of strips of this. You can do this roughly, you don't have to do it precisely. And I could keep going. What I'm going to just do is I'm going to take that, just put that to the side, and then I'm going to place that one on top of that one, like so. Same again. Build myself up like that. Give those a good push together. So what we're going to do is going to use the table for patting those two together, taking just ever so slightly, dropping, and then just keep it turning around. So I'm actually sort of making sure I'm compacting the clay together, which is really, really important. So what I end up with, can you just see that? So those lovely colourful lines all the way through. Just going to take the ends off. And you can see it when you cut it, you end up with these little lines going through it as well. Now I could quite easily just cut the ends and start putting this together, but I actually wanted to sort of be a little bit more, I'm going to actually roll this out a bit, I think, and see what I get from that. So I'm going to, now I've compressed and compacted, I'm going to take my rolling pin and just gently start to roll that out. Again, take and turn. Roll and take and turn again. really nice is you get both sides. Can you see that? You get both sides with those really lovely colours coming through. Now this could quite easily be turned into a pot, or you could press this into a bowl. But I'm actually making decorations today. So that's really nice actually. It's come out really, really nicely. Can you see that? Really nice. So I'm going to just take that line out that I can see that I've just rolled into it. Don't want to do that. Wonderful. So that is my finished slab, and now I've got both sides as well, which is really nice. So what we're going to do now, all I'm going to do now, is I'm going to make these into some little hearts. So I'm just going to grab my cutter. So as Valentine's Day is just about to come up, I've got my little cutter here, and I'm going to just cut myself some little hearts, like so. And that's it. And then I can actually impress into the surface of these with letters or anything along those lines. But what's quite nice is that I can do several of these, and any of the leftovers I can put back together and also make some sort of really unusual hearts as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. This is Field Place Pottery and I'm Jessica Jordan.